Back by popular demand, we have a laced up mystery box for you guys today. It's been a while since we opened up a laced up mystery box on this channel, so hopefully we got a lot of good stuff in here. So stay tuned and yeah, we'll take a look.
Last thing that you ever want to see, huh? I can feel the spirits all around me. I think Prince and Bikers trying to warn me.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, back again with another laced up hype beast mystery box. It's been a while since we got a laced up mystery box on this channel, man. The reason why I haven't been doing them is honestly, I'm just gonna tell you guys straight up, because I like to keep everything on the table with you guys. I wasn't really feeling the boxes. I wasn't feeling it. The values for me on certain boxes were not there, I feel like. I felt like there was times when I was struggling just to make my money back, and it should never feel like that. If you have a mystery box, you want to make sure that you feel like there is guaranteed money on this box. I definitely know if I sell everything, even if I have to wait a little bit, I know that I'll make profit. It didn't feel like that way for me. I mean, I put up the values and stuff on the screen, but again, that's competitive market value, guys. That's not exactly what I make every single time. A lot of the times I meet that number, a lot of the times I exceed that number, but there are a good amount of times where I also go underneath that. So for the laced up boxes, it seemed like I was like either meeting it or going under, and for me, that's just not that's a red flag. So I didn't want to waste more money on that. However, Laced Up as a company, I feel like is a very, very dope company still. I highly recommend them still just because they're good people at that shop. I've been in contact with one of the store managers and he's just a really good dude. I let him know my qualms and stuff about the boxes and my concerns about it. And he listened and he said, you know what? This is exactly what it is, laid out in front, yada, yada, yada. And it made a lot of sense from what he said. The market here in Hawaii is different than the market in the mainland. This was before the advent of StockX, where they allowed you to sell BAPE products. They have a lot of BAPE laced up mystery boxes. So that all changes basically what happens with these boxes moving forward. I think the BAPE move from StockX was a huge thing just because now all of these items can move a lot faster rather than using eBay or Grailed or Bump, you know? So that's my thinking now with it, and that's why I'm gonna try it out. I put up a poll on Twitter asking you guys if you guys wanted to see more Hypebeast mystery boxes from Laced Up, and it was a resounding yes. So yeah, still gonna do the Soul Steals obviously because they are the best in the business, but I do want to take a look at Laced Up again and see, okay, maybe we got something going again, you know? So this is for you guys. Anyway, this box was $750. It is a BAPE only mystery box. This right here is honestly something that I'm not really a big fan of too. I feel like anytime you have a marked box like this, it kind of makes it sketch for when it's being delivered, you know? UPS drivers, FedEx drivers, USPS drivers, there's some sketchy guys in the world. So if they notice this, it might lead to a missed package, you know? So that's why I don't really like this too much, but it is kind of a nice touch, I guess, if you bought it in store. Anyway, let's open it up. I'm surprised that the box is like this small too. That was one of the first things, like, it's a shoebox size. Then again, BAPE products are expensive, so it kind of makes sense. Whew, that's a lot of stickers. Right on. Okay, so first things first, I see this. It says, thank you for ordering the Laced Up mystery box. lacedup.com/mystery box. We love YouTubers. If you make an unboxing, tag us on YouTube or Instagram for a repost. I would consider myself a YouTuber, I guess. Somehow. I don't understand it either. Anyway, YouTube, Laced Up, that's cool. We got a lot of Laced Up mini like box logos, I guess, right here. Like there's a lot of these. Also a lot of these like Laced Up circle sticker things. I guess that's their logo. That's cool. There's also a note in here. Very cool. Untitled Hawaii, hope you enjoy this box. We included a $20 gift card. Okay. You can give away to your followers. Enjoy. The team at Laced Up. Okay, cool. So right here it says from Laced Up to the Untied fam. My dudes must not watch the channel too often because it's not Untied fam. We are the Ohana, not Untied fam. Untied Ohana. Anyway, still very nice that they gave away a $20 card. So let's see, how do I want to do this? I guess I'll just do it like a 24-hour gleam.io contest again. It's honestly the easiest way for me just because it draws it randomly and it's the most fair. I don't want to do like an Instagram thing because Instagram, if you're just scrolling through and picking somebody, I feel like it can be very like cheat. I don't like rig contests like that. That's why I never enter Instagram contests. I think they're all fake. Anyway, I'll do the gleam.io because that is all random. 24 hours, just sub to the channel. You guys don't need to do anything else. So 20 bucks. Not bad. Very nice to Laced Up, man. Good guys. And before, I know what you guys are thinking because I know a big factor for you guys is you guys think that whatever is in this box is specifically tailored to YouTubers. I don't think that. Like I said, I got 3 boxes in the past and I felt like I didn't make any money on it. So I don't feel like I was getting hooked up at all. The products in there were nice. There was value there. I did make my money back on all 3 boxes, but I didn't make much profit. So don't think for a second that most YouTubers get hooked up. I think maybe the really big ones like Blazendary or people, you know, like high status, Kais, things like that. Maybe they get some really dope stuff. They probably don't pay for their boxes though, so it's a lot different than my situation where we're actually paying for these things. Anyway, always keeping it real with you guys. Let's get into the actual products now, enough talking. All right, first things first. What's cool about this is each laced up item comes in like its own little tote bag, so that's a nice touch. I like their presentation. That's one of the best things I remember from their boxes. Presentation matters. This first one looks like a BAPE hoodie. Oh, okay, a BAPE Undefeated hoodie. That's cool. Like I said, yep, it is the BAPE Undefeated hoodie. This one is in a purple colorway. I actually had that green one a while back. I couldn't fit it. This one I remember to get in an XL though now, so I can fit this if I want. However, purple isn't really my color, I would say. So you can see over here, $400 was the in-store price tag. If it even lives up to like $350 of that value, then we would make half our money back on this box. So far, so good. This might have already been the money item. So I hope it's not all downhill from here. All right, next out, we got another bag, like I said, another tote. And like I was telling you guys, everything is like nicely individually wrapped. So that takes a lot of time. I respect any company that goes through the hassle of doing this kind of stuff, you know? Like this is time consuming, but they want a good presentation. So I like that. All right, this is a, what is this? I thought it was a shirt. I don't think it's a shirt. Some kind of a bag, a drawstring bag, a drawstring bag. Busy Works WGM Bathing Ape in lukewarm water. Yeah, literally just a drawstring bag. So not too much to say there. I don't know. I wouldn't keep this. Next piece out, we got a, oh, this is nice. BAPE Reflection Camo College Tee, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I like this. I'm keeping this one. This is nice. So it's another college tee, a bathing ape, and then like a camo yellow vibe right there. They said that this one is worth $150. I don't know about that. I know retail on a lot of BAPE products is like about $100 though, which is super insane. I'm not a big fan of their retail, but the quality of the material and just it being a Japanese brand, you know that it's there. It's you get what you pay for to an extent. Yeah, that's my little spiel about BAPE. So one more piece in this second laced up bag. This one, we got that color camo. It says, I don't really like this design. I'm not really big on this. You can see that shark print right there. Nothing on the back. Another nice piece. This one they said is going for $130. I feel like my excitement is a lot higher this next time around just because now I'm into BAPE for some reason. I don't know why. There's been like a shift where I was very anti-BAPE and all of a sudden I just want to wear a lot of BAPE. And honestly, I feel like that's how fashion goes. You don't like one thing one day, Yeezy 500 blushes. All of a sudden, everybody wants them. Same thing with the Wave Runners, dad shoes. It's just like, that's just how fashion works, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, we got one more bag here. This one has a lot more smaller stuff. I'm guessing these are like accessories. Oh, okay. So this one came with two. Looks like one of them is a bathing ape keychain. Bathing ape keychain. And then this one is a bathing ape like mask. Those masks are like apparently look like really big in Japan though. Just because they have like a lot of air pollution or something, so a lot of people wear masks. So that's why it derives from there. And another keychain. This one's a little bit different. And another mask. This one is a lot more functional. It's like in that green regular camo look, so that's not bad. Last piece of the box. Okay, so this is just laced up branded merch. These are free materials, I'm assuming. It doesn't count towards the actual value of the box. And that's it for the laced up mystery box. What do I think? I think, see, perception again is a little bit different this time around. The first thing that was hard for me the first time going with these boxes is that I had a hard time pricing them just because I didn't know where to find prices for BAPE. I'd be looking on like eBay and Grailed and stuff, and the prices are all over the place on there, so it was really hard. Now that StockX has the BAPE update, it makes it a lot easier to find these kinds of items, so that was nice. In terms of value, I'm not necessarily sure. You guys can see on the counter over here what the prices were and the values were, but for me, I really have no idea. I want to assume that I made at least $100 or so, which is not bad. That's not bad. But yeah, this is a good snapshot of what you can get in the $750 BAPE only mystery box from Laced Up. They also have like Supreme and BAPE mix. They also have ones with shoes, without shoes. I also really like that about their site, so that was good. I'm happy with it. I really like what I got. I think I would try this again. I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll go for like a higher value and maybe see if there's more hype stuff. Obviously, the more you pay, the more you get. So we'll take a look at that and I'll get back to you guys if we continue to do laced up. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more laced up boxes. As this one does not require a membership, I'm sure this is more accessible to you guys. So I'd be happy to do more if you guys want to see it. Let me know. Supply and demand. I'll supply it if you guys demand it. Business facts right there for you guys. Free of charge. Thank you guys again for watching. This has been another episode of the Hype Beast Laced Up Mystery Boxes with Untitled Hawaii. Until next time though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!